Hello everyone, Tyler.pabich here today talking hair catcher for your showers. Thank you to the people again over at Trapmate for sending over this product sample. Just wanted to do an updated review of this product. Worked out so well for me. Today actually there was quite a bit of hair that was caught in the drain, and I was able to just lift this up, and I'll show the video at the end. Lift this up, take the hair out, and then put it right back into place, and then it started draining normally. But for other ones that I've had in the past, the hair would catch it, and then you would get that big puddle in your shower. And so that started to happen obviously with this until I was able to pick it up, take the hair out, and then place it back in, and then the water drained just fine. So something really great to have in your shower to make sure that it's draining properly, to make sure it catches all of that extra hair, whatever it is that you need to have it catch to keep everything draining correctly. It does stay in place pretty well. It does have little rubber on the bottom here. It will move a little bit, but doesn't really move all that much. It pretty much stays in place, but I do just like how I can lift it up and then set it back down. And then once I also do that, I will have run it through some water a little bit, and typically that gets all the hair or whatever it is that you have in the shower that needs to be caught out of there. Then you can just place it right back into its spot. So simple product to use, but definitely a necessary product. Like I said, I wanted to do an updated review because I just noticed it again today how awesome it is to have in the shower, to be able to just lift it up, take the hair out, very simple, and just place it right back in its spot. So if you are in the market for a hair catcher for your shower, I would definitely recommend taking a look at this product. Stay tuned. Here in just a moment, I'm going to show you just how easy it was to take out the hair and everything that was left in there to have it drain properly. Thanks. So as you can see, it just sits at the bottom of my shower. Maybe we'll just lift it up. We got some hair in there, it just comes right out. Created a puddle a little in my shower, but then once we got that out, it was able to drain properly. So if you're in the market for it, I would definitely recommend it.